Betterment is one of the first and most popular robo-advisors, managing over $60 billion for 900,000 plus customers as of mid-2025. It combines automated investing, retirement plans, cash management, and even crypto investing, all within one user-friendly platform. Automated investing and rebalancing is one of the key features. Using algorithms and modern portfolio theory (MPT), Betterment builds diversified ETF portfolios aligned with your goals and risk profile, takes care of rebalancing and tax loss harvesting automatically. You also get goal-based tools. Whether saving for retirement, a house, or emergency funds, you can set up goals and get personalized plans. Also, cash management. The cash reserve account offers a high-yield, fee-free savings vehicle. It's backed by FDIC insurance up to $2 million per individual or $4 million for joint accounts. Broad account types. Betterment supports taxable accounts, Roth, traditional SEP, IRAs, trusts, plus newer offerings like crypto investing and high-yield checking. As far as financial advice options, you get a digital plan, managed investing with automated tools, or premium plan. At 0.4% AUM, offers unlimited access to certified financial planners, CFPs, for balances $100,000 plus. Latest for advisors, introduce solo 401k plans for self-employed advisors, paperless setup, Roth/traditional options, no setup fee, and enhancements like single stock inclusion and custom mutual fund models for advisors. As far as acquisition, it acquired Elevest accounts in early 2025, growing its client base and consolidating its position in robo-advisory. As far as fees and pricing, let's actually check if we can see that. Either $4 a month for balances under $20K or without $250 per month deposits, or 0.25% annually once you exceed $20K or set up recurring deposits. The premium plan is 0.65% AUM, includes CFP support and discounts on balances over $1 million, and low fund fees, ETF expense ratios average 0.05 to 0.24%, keeping overall costs competitive. Its strengths include pricing and low fees, automated tax efficiency, ease of use and goal alignment, excellent cash account, and expanding offerings like crypto, solo 401k. Its drawbacks include flat fee, hurts small accounts, no direct indexing, premium access is costly, account growth versus DIY, and limited advisor coverage. Is Betterment right for you? I think it's best for investors seeking automated, goal-driven investing with robust tax tools, and it's less ideal for investors with minimal balances or active taxable investors or DIY investors that are comfortable crafting and rebalancing their own portfolios.